In this video, I'll talk about how you can change your address on eToro. What you want to do is head over to etoro.com/settings/profile, and from in here you want to find proof of address. You want to add a proof of address, and this is any of these right here, just so eToro can see that you have the address. So you want to add any of these into the proof of address, and once you've done that, they will update your address. Now, if you already added this one and you moved somewhere else or something, what you want to do is get a new one of these from your new address, and then what you want to do is you want to contact the eToro support. So just Google eToro customer support, head over there, and you want to contact them and select account, and then you want to tell them that you moved your address and send them your new address proof of these, and then they will update if you cannot update it directly from in here. So usually if you already have an address in here, you might be able to update it, but if you don't have the option for that, you want to contact the support. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as that helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.